Hello, little learners. We are happy to have you join us on this exciting journey into the world of computers with Binary Brains, the language of computers.
Grade 7, Lesson 7. Today, we are going to explore new and amazing technologies. We will learn about artificial intelligence AI, the binary robot, Internet of Things, the connected world, blockchain, the secure storage, other emerging technologies the future makers. Sounds exciting, right? Let's begin. Imagine a future where you're walking on streets of your city. You see self-driven cars zooming by, robots serving food at cafes, and people wearing smart finger rings that track their health. Welcome to the world of emerging technologies. First, we will explore artificial intelligence AI, the binary robot. Parth, a 13-year-old student, loved playing chess. One day, he received a gift, an AI-powered chessboard. Parth named his AI component Champ. Champ and Parth would play chess every evening after school. As they played, Parth wondered, how does Champ think and make moves like a human? On this note, we will learn what is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence AI is a technology that enables machines like Champ to think and learn like humans. AI helps machines understand and respond to voice commands, recognize images and faces, make decisions and predictions, study patterns, learn from experiences. Types of AI: narrow AI or weak AI, designed for specific tasks like virtual assistants, Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant. Image recognition, Facebook tagging, language translation. For example, Parth's smartphone assistant helps him set reminders. General or strong AI, more advanced human-like intelligence seen in technology like self-driven cars, autonomous drones, intelligent robots. For example, Champ, the AI chess player, adapts to Parth's strategies. Super AI, theoretical AI surpassing human intelligence like advanced robotics, complex problem solving, autonomous decision making. For example, future AI systems managing entire cities. AI applications, virtual assistants, Google Assistant, Siri, Alexa. Image recognition, Facebook tagging, grouping photographs, facial recognition security. Healthcare, disease diagnosis, personalized medicine. Gaming, chess, video games with AI opponents. Real life examples: AI powered robots assist surgeons. AI driven self driven cars navigate roads. AI based chatbot customer support. Internet of Things IoT, the connected world. Aisha is a busy working woman in Mumbai. She installed a smart home system. Using an app on her phone, she can control her lights, air conditioner, and security cameras, making her life more easier and more secure. What is Internet of Things IoT? The Internet of Things IoT is like Aisha's smart home, a network of everyday objects connected to the internet, like smart appliances, vehicles, and gadgets. These devices can collect and share data with each other and the cloud. IoT technology allows them to communicate, interact, and automate tasks, making our lives more convenient and connected. Let us understand how IoT works. Devices like sensors and cameras gather information. The collected data is sent to the cloud or a central system. The data is analyzed and processed there. Devices get instructions based on the analysis and take actions. Let us look at some IoT applications. Smart homes, automated lighting, temperature, security. Wearable devices, fitness trackers, smartwatches. Traffic management, intelligent traffic signals and route optimization. Industrial automation, predictive maintenance, efficient production. Let us look at some real examples of IoT. Mumbai's smart traffic management system, wearable fitness trackers like Fitbit, industrial automation in manufacturing plants. Benefits of IoT: increased efficiency, improved safety, increased convenience, cost saving, improved productivity, predictive maintenance or analysis, rapid response, reduces human errors. Now let us learn about blockchain, the secure storage. Harsh, a college student, wanted to buy a new laptop online. He used Bitcoin, a cryptocurrency, to make the payment. But how was his transaction secure? Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are digital money systems that allow people to make secure online payments across the globe. These currencies rely on encryption to ensure transactions are safe. All cryptocurrency transactions are recorded on a shared digital record known as blockchain. What is blockchain? Blockchain is a digital record of transactions distributed across a network of computers. It operates using a unique database mechanism that stores data in blocks. Each block is linked together in a sequence, forming a continuous chain. This interconnected system ensures that once a transaction is recorded, it is permanent and cannot be altered. Blockchain technology maintains records of transactions, especially those involving cryptocurrencies, across multiple computers. This structure enhances security and transparency, making it most impossible for anyone to modify the data. Blockchain is like digital locker securing online transactions. It's a digital ledger that records transactions, verifies identity, ensures security, facilitates trust. Let us understand how does blockchain works. Step 1. An authorized user starts a transaction. Step 2. The transaction is encoded with a secret code to make a digital signature. 3. The transaction is sent to the network of nodes called computers. 4. The nodes check the transactions to validate it and add it to the blockchain. 5. The update is shared with everyone across the network, completing the transaction. Blockchain applications. Cryptocurrency, for example, Bitcoin. Secure online transactions. Supply chain management. Track products from production to delivery. Voting systems. Secure and transparent elections. Identify verification. Secure personal data and authentication. Let us look at some more examples of blockchain. Healthcare record management. Intellectual property protection. Smart contracts. Cybersecurity. Now let us look at some real examples of blockchain. Bitcoin transactions. Walmart's supply chain management. Estonia's e-voting system. India's Aadhaar identity verification. Benefits of blockchain: security, transparency, immutable, tamper-proof, efficient. Now let us look at some other emerging technologies, the future makers. Augmented reality (AR), enhancing reality. Arav loves fashion and does online shopping. He likes to try on new outfits without going to the store. He picks up his phone, opens a special AR app, and suddenly he finds an option to find a different clothes right in his room. Without having to go to the store, he can see how each outfit fits and looks on him without actually putting them on. What is AR? Augmented reality (AR) is a technology that adds digital content like images, sounds, or information to the real world you see. It uses special glasses, apps, and software to mix with real world with computer-made images and information. This makes an interactive experiences where you can see both real and digital worlds together. Let us understand how it works. Cameras and sensors. AR uses device's camera to capture the real world. Sensors help the device understand its position and movement in the space. Special software processes the images and data from the real world and overlays the digital content on top of it. Real-time interaction. This digital content adjusts and interacts with the real world in real time, making it feel like a natural part of your environment. Let us look at some AR applications. Virtual try-on. Try on clothes, accessories, or even makeup virtually before making a purchase. Interactive filters. Use fun filters on applications like Snapchat or Instagram to change your appearance or surroundings in real time. Gaming. Enjoy immersive games like Pokemon Go that blend virtual elements with the real world. Education. Enhance learning with interactive textbooks that bring subjects to life with 3D models and animations. Benefits of AR. Improved experience, increased engagement, improved learning, cost effective. Now let us understand virtual reality VR immersive experience. Tanmay, a thrill seeker, wanted to experience skydiving without jumping out of a plane. He went to an immersive experience studio that created stimulated environments for different adventurous activities like skydiving, bungee jumping, river rafting. He entered a room designed to stimulate a skydiving experience. He put on a special VR headset and suddenly he was in the sky, feeling the rush of wind and the thrill of free fall. It felt so real even though he was safely on the ground. What is VR? Virtual reality VR is a technology that creates a stimulated environment, that is, it creates an artificial environment that gives a real life-like experience through sights and sounds provided by a computer. When you wear a VR headset, it covers your eyes and ears, replacing your real surroundings with a digital world. This digital world can be anything, from outer space to the depths of the ocean, or even just a peaceful beach. You can look around and move with your virtual space, making you feel like you're truly there. Let us understand how it works. VR headset. You wear a headset with special screens and lenses that shows 3D images. It also has sensors to track your head movements, so when you look around, the view changes accordingly. Controllers. Many VR systems comes with your controllers you hold in your hands. These let you interact with your virtual environment like picking up an object or pressing a button. Immersive experience. VR can include sounds, haptic feedback, vibrations, and even scents to make the experience more immersive. Let us know some VR applications. Gaming. VR exports players into immersive game worlds, making the experience more interactive and realistic. Education. VR provides realistic stimulation for trainings such as performing surgeries or exploring historical sites. Entertainment. VR lets viewers watch movies or concerts in a 360-degree environment, feeling as if they were a part of the scene. Therapy. VR helps treat anxiety disorders by exposing patients to controlled virtual environments for therapeutic purpose. Benefits of VR. Immersive experience, increased engagement, improved learning, cost effective. Now students, let us understand 3D printing, creating objects. Ria, a designer, wanted to create unique and intricate artificial jewelry pieces. She used 3D printing technology to bring her ideas to life. With 3D printing, she was able to produce complex designs quickly and efficiently without the need for traditional manufacturing methods. What is 3D printing? The main purpose of 3D printing is to create physical objects from digital designs. It works by building up layers of materials like plastic or metal until the object is formed. This can be used to make all sorts of things, from simple shapes to complex parts for machines. Now let us understand how does it work. Digital design. Start with a digital design of an object you want to create. This design is made using a computer program, layer by layer. The 3D printer reads this design and begins building the object layer by layer. Materials. The printer uses materials such as plastic, metal, or even wood. These materials can be in the form of a liquid or a powder that hardens to form each layer. Precision. The printer lays down each layer very precisely, following the digital design. This accuracy ensures that the project is built exactly as designed. Building the object. As the printer adds more layers, the object gradually takes the shape. By the end, you have a three-dimensional item that matches your digital design perfectly. 3D printing applications. Prototyping. Engineers and designers quickly create and test physical models of new products. Customized products. 3D printing allows for personalized items like custom jewelry or tailored phone cases. Medical implants. Doctors create implants and prosthetics tailored to fit individual patients perfectly. Aerospace engineering. The aerospace industry manufactures lightweight and complex parts for aircrafts and spacecrafts. Benefits of 3D printing: rapid prototyping, increased accuracy, reduced waste, cost effective. That's all for today, students. Hope you had fun learning about new and amazing technologies.
Want to test your brain? You can attend a quiz of this chapter on the Tamsh website. Once you finish attending the quiz of all the chapters, you will receive a certificate. Scan the first QR code to visit the Tamsh website or click on the link provided in the description box. Scan the second QR code to learn how to navigate to assessment page and access the quiz section on the website, or click on the link provided in the description box. You can also download this PPT from the Tamsh website. Great job, little genius! You have finished lesson 7. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next lesson. Happy learning!